The hell was that?
That doesn't sound good. Yeah. I've never heard it from any kind of a car.
Okay, can you
It sounds like it's running maybe.
Okay, it's making noise.
Is it okay?
I don't know what happened to it.
I never.
You need help with anything?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
like, oh, it's making funny noise.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Yeah.
I gotta send it in.
Oh, yeah, I don't
See, it goes away once I try to figure out what's going on with it.
Well, open the hood and try to get it. I mean, do it. Open the hood, lock it, and see if it'll recreate itself. I have no. Oh no, you know what I mean? I'm just saying open the hood because then you can see inside.
But it
If
makes
it
a
starts
really
doing it
weird
again.
noise.
But,
It doesn't, is it? Oh, yeah, well,
well, it doesn't have a traditional motor, right?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it has a motor in it, but
Yeah.
it's not on.
Well, this has a normally aspirated engine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a hybrid then. Interesting.
I know, I went to go do an estimate and it was making that noise.
It sounds almost like a part of your tranny or